In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a stand for your laptop to provide better access to the cooling fans. The laptop that I have here is a Razer Blade 15. I've drawn a template here on a piece of paper to kind of map out the spacing of the fans. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this stand here, which I picked up from IKEA. It's very cheap. I think it was about £4.50. Picked it up quite a long time ago and I've never really used it, to be honest. But what I can do is I can take this template and I've kind of used it to get an idea of where I need to cut some holes. As you can see, I've just clamped it to my table. I just need to find my drill. So I've found my drill bits and I've decided to go for this piece here, which is a 60mm. The diameter of the fans on the laptop is 40mm, so I've just decided to go just a little bit bigger. And I put my laptop right out of the way so that it doesn't get any dust on it when I'm drilling the holes. I'm just going to drill a pilot hole first with a 2.5mm bit, just to help guide the hole cut. So I've now cut the pilot hole and that went through without an issue. The plastic cut quite easily and it didn't crack or anything. And now I'm just going to have a go cutting the actual hole itself. So that seemed to go through without... Quiet! Quiet! So that seemed to go through without an issue. I just had to put the phone down so that I could use both my hands on the drill. So as you can see, both holes have now been cut and I'm just going to do a bit of a clean up. So that went okay. I had to sand it down quite a bit. One thing that I might recommend actually is cutting it through from the other side, so it looks like the cuts on the back look quite a bit cleaner, I think, than the ones on the front. So if anyone else has a go, it might be something to think about. But yeah, it's okay, it's good enough. So I've cleaned it up and I've given it a wash, and you can see here how the fans line up with the holes. And here's the final setup. So turn the laptop on. I've just turned the fans on to full just so to test it out. And yeah, it seems pretty good airflow underneath. So yeah, seems to work pretty well.